What's going on, YouTube? And today we got a 2011 Toyota Rav4 and we're going to be changing the spark plugs. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this plastic cover, put that to the side. We're going to remove this bolt right here. Unfortunately, my toolbox doesn't have anything the right size to remove it, but I'm gonna use this wrench right here. All right, we're gonna start with the first one. You're gonna move from left to right, change all four. Okay, I'm using this right here because I don't have anything the right size for my toolbox. All right, so now it's loose. Gonna finish it off with my hands. Put it right here. We're gonna unplug the coil. Okay, and then we're gonna remove this coil. We're gonna put that to the side. Okay. Next thing, we're gonna get our things from the toolbox. Gonna get my spark plug socket. Okay. So I got this 5/8 spark plug socket, my toolbox. Okay, let's put this together. All right. So I put a little wiggle on it just to not mess up the spark plugs coming out. Okay. All right. We're gonna insert it in there. Okay, make sure it sits on it, and then you're gonna twist. Hold on. Right. You're gonna get it loose all the way. Let's see if it comes up. No. So good, don't worry. I got a little special magnet. You can get this from AutoZone. And we're just gonna insert it in there. It's gonna get the spark plug for us. The spark plugs. So here's the old one. So here's the old one. Here's the box for the new spark plugs, and we're gonna open it up now. Right, so now we're going to take the old and the new spark plugs, and we're just gonna compare it, make sure that they look the same, similar, and aren't different. Okay, they look fine. They look fine. Let's go. So we got the spark plug in there, and we're just gonna start it up by hands, and then we're gonna finish it off with the wrench. So now you're gonna put the coil back. You're gonna plug the switch. We're going to take our screw and start with your hands. Now we're gonna take a ratchet and just tighten it up. You know, make sure everything is tight and snug. So now we're going to move on to the next one.
We're gonna unplug. Got the coil. So the one is out. Second spark plug. Start it with your hands. Take the coil, put it back, plug it, screw. Tight and snug. We'll move to the next one.